Hey guys, welcome to my WordPress tutorial. I'm going to teach you guys how to make your first website, whether it's an online store or any other business that you might have in mind.
Step 1. In this step, we shall choose a domain name. A domain name is the name of your website. For example, creativeadvertising.com, techrafiki.com, karibugadgets.com. Some of the popular domain name providers are HostGator, Namecheap, GoDaddy, and Hostinger. For the purpose of this video, we shall use hostinger.com. You can choose any website name you prefer. After choosing a domain name, we shall have to choose a hosting provider. A hosting provider allocates space for your website online, basically your landlord. Hosting sites include HostGator, Bluehost, Namecheap, and Hostinger. As you can tell, most of the domain name providers double as hosting providers. To keep things simple, we shall buy a domain name and hosting from the same company. In that case, Hostinger. We shall then go to our hosting provider. We shall choose the single option. On this page, you will choose how long you will pay for your hosting. I would recommend minimum a year. You will then log in with an account, and in this case, I will use my Google account and then put in my payment details. After this, we shall log into our cPanel. The cPanel is like your control center. All hosting provider cPanels look a bit similar. Scroll until you find the WordPress installer. Choose the domain you want to install WordPress to and accept. Fill in your details as required and click Install. Make sure to use a working email and a memorable password because you will use this to log into your website. After this, your website will take some time to become live. This takes about 24 to 48 hours. If you want to check on your progress, you can try the following websites in the description. After 48 hours, your site should be live.